Okay, well, here are some secret techniques and tips to build modern, customized, beautiful, eco-friendly, and low-budget tiny home on wheels. The first aspect is about secret techniques. I mean, it's about secret techniques, and the first point of secret techniques is about use a shipping container as a base. We have to repurpose a shipping container as the foundation for your tiny home. Then for the second point is about incorporate passive solar design. We have to design your tiny home to harness natural sunlight and heat. Then for the third point is utilize hidden storage space. We have to design clever hidden storage space to maintain a clutter-free living environment, and also the implementation rainwater harvesting system. We have to collect and store rainwater for non-potable uses. And then for the second aspect of it is about eco-friendly materials. We have to use reclaimed and sustainable materials. Incorporate reclaimed wood, bamboo, and low VOC materials as usual. Then for the second point of it is about incorporate natural insulation materials. We have to use natural insulation materials like wool, cotton on recycled denim. Then for the next point is choose energy efficient appliance. We have to select appliance with low energy consumption. I mean, it was important for saving energy on your daily use of your tiny home appliance. And then for the next point is about implementation composting toilet. We have to reduce water consumption and waste with a composting toilet. Okay, then for the third aspect is about low budget tips and tricks. And the first point of low budget tips and tricks aspect is about propose and upcycle materials. We have to get creative materials like old pallets, windows, and doors. And then for the second point of it is shop secondhand and thrift store. And we have to find unique and affordable materials and decor. Then for the third point is use free or low cost resources. We have to utilize online resources, YouTube tutorials, and DIY blogs. Then for the next point is consider a community build. Gather friends and family to help with the building process. Then for the fourth aspect is about modern and customized design tips. The first point is design for natural light. We have to incorporate large window and skylights. And then for the next point is use space efficient furniture. We have to choose multifunctional furniture. Then for the third point is incorporate modern finishes. We have to use low cost eco-friendly finish like bamboo or low VOC paint. Then we have to add personalized touches. And then you have to incorporate unique features that reflect your personality and your style on your own tiny home. Then for the fifth aspect is about additional secret tips, and the first point of the secret tips is about using a tiny home kit or plans. Simplify the building process with a prefabricated kit or plans. Then for the second point is incorporate smart home feature, so we can add smart lighting, thermostat, and security systems. And also we have to consider a tiny home community as always, then join community of like-minded individuals. Then for the fourth aspect is about be patient and flexible, because building a tiny home can be challenging and we have to be have a preparation to adapt. Then some popular resource for building a tiny home on wheels include tiny home builders, a community-driven resource for tiny home builders, and then the tiny house swoon. It is a website featuring tiny home design, plans, and inspiration. Then tiny house living. It's a website and community dedicated to tiny house living. And then DIY network, a website featuring DIY tutorials and project including tiny home builds.